what's up guys, my name is Kashito. Welcome back to another episode of the Unbox with Kashito. But instead, it's an Unwrap with Kashito because of this one. Finally, it's here again. And this cost me 110 pesos. So let's rip this bad boy up. Ho ho ho, here it is. You recognize something? That's right, it's a dream mask. I finally did it, guys. Alright, hold on. Alright, here it is. The delivery says that you thought it was a freaking plate, but no, it's not. Instead, it's a dream mask. So hold on, I'm going to wear it. Kinda a bit horrible for looking like this, but instead, I have an idea. Hold on for a sec. Oh, this one is so cool. Alright, this is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, now I need is a props, but it doesn't come in yet. Sooner, maybe. I'm still waiting for that props that I could possibly wearing it. I'm using it during this one. Yeah, it was so cool that the fact it looks like this. I can use that as a thumbnail, I guess. Alright, I'm going to save this one for this one. It's really cool though. 110 for this mask because it's additional for shipping. That's the reason why. It's okay anyways. And I really like it though. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it. Just wearing for this one and this one too. And the missing is about the props. That's pretty matters. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And I say to you all, and sayonara, arigato. Oh, I really like this one. That's pretty unique now. Yeah.